In this session, I will guide you how to set up code editor. We will be using PyCharm as our code editor. There are multiple code editors present, but we will be choosing PyCharm for coding because there are many benefits of using PyCharm. To get PyCharm, you have to open your browser and search PyCharm on Google. After you search this, it will show you link to JetBrains website. Here we can select this download option and go to this link. After you open this link, it will show you the professional and the community version of PyCharm. We have to download the community version because it's free and open source. So you just have to download the community version and it's available in Windows, Mac and Linux as well. As I am using Mac, so on default it has selected Mac operating system. If you are using Windows, you can select Windows here, and if you are using Linux, you can select Linux here. When you press this download button, PyCharm code editor will be downloaded in your computer. And then you can simply open the downloaded file and it will be installed in your computer. And after that, when you open it, it will show you this screen.